Dear students, in this session we will go to discuss about the concept advertising. It will very useful to every businessman to increase sales volume. The objective of learning this chapter is to understand the meaning and importance of advertising. At the end of the session, you will be able to understand the meaning and importance of advertising. Advertising is a marketing tactic involving paying for space to promote a product, service, or cause. The actual promotional messages are called advertisements or ads for short. In short, we'll call ads. The goal of advertising is to reach people most likely to be willing to pay for a company's products or services and entice them to buy. ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಸರಕುಗಳ ಮಾರಾಟವನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ನಿಟ್ಟಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಅನುಸರಿಸಬೇಕಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮಾರಾಟ ಪ್ರವರ್ತನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಹೀರಾತು. Advertising is a means of communication with the users of a product or service. Advertisements are messages paid for by those who send them and are intended to inform or influence people who receive them as defined by the Advertising Association of UK. Advertising is a bringing a product or service to the attention of potential and current customers. Advertising is focused on one particular product or service. Thus, an advertising plan for one product might be very different than that for another product. Advertising is typically done with signs, brochures, commercials, direct mailings or email messages, personal contacts, etc. Objectives of advertising. There are various objectives involved in advertising. First one, introduce a product. The most common reason advertising is used to introduce a new product in the market. This can be done by existing brands as well as new brands. Have a look at the latest iPhone in the market or a Samsung smartphone and you will find a lot of advertisement for these new products. The objective of advertising here is to tell customers here is the new product we have launched. ಜಾಹೀರಾತಿನ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೊದಲನೇ ಉದ್ದೇಶ ಅಂದರೆ ಹೊಸ ವಸ್ತುಗಳನ್ನು ಮಾರುಕಟ್ಟೆಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಆ ವಸ್ತುಗಳ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಮಾಹಿತಿಯನ್ನು ನೀಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಾಹೀರಾತನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತವೆ. ಹೊಸದಾಗಿ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟಿಗೆ ಬಿಡುಗಡೆ ಇರ್ತವೆ ಸರಕುಗಳು, ಆ ಸರಕುಗಳು ಬಿಡುಗಡೆಯಾಗಿರುವುದರ ಕುರಿತು ಮತ್ತು ಆ ಸರಕಿನ ವಿಶೇಷ ಗುಣಲಕ್ಷಣಗಳ ಕುರಿತು ಜಾಹೀರಾತನ್ನು ನೀಡುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆ ಸರಕುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಸಕ್ತಿಯನ್ನು ಮೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. Introduce a brand. There are many startups in the market today and many of them are services. Services are generally marketed as a brand rather than marketing their individual service product. Thus, Uber will market its own brand and introduce that Uber has started servicing customers in a new market. Same goes for Oracle or Essentials. Companies which market their brand and their presence in the market rather than marketing an individual product. Awareness creation. According to AIDA model, AIDA ಹೇಳ್ತದೆ A means attention, I interest, D desire, A action. Attention, interest, desire, action. Model. The most important job of advertising is to get attention, which is nothing but awareness creation. Here, ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಸರಕಿನ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಅವೇರ್ನೆಸ್ ಮೂಡಿಸ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸ, ಜಾಹೀರಾತಿನಿಂದ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸಿಂಗ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಚರ್ ದ ಅಟೆನ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದೆಮ್ ಅವೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದೇರ್ ಫೀಚರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಮಾರ್ಕೆಟ್. Acquiring customers or brand switching. One of the major objectives of advertising and the first objective of many advertising campaigns is to acquire more customers. ಯಾಕೆ ಜಾಹೀರಾತನ್ನು ನೀಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಯನ್ನು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಜಾಹೀರಾತುಗಳನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗ್ತದೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೋನ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್. ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪನ್ ಬೈ ಪಾಸಿಂಗ್ a strong message so that potential customer leaves the brand which he is tied up with and comes to your brand. Differentiation and value creation. A most important aspect of advertising is to differentiate the product or the service from those of competitors. ಬೇರೆ ಉತ್ಪಾದಕರಿಂದ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉನ್ನತವಾದ ಗುಣಗಳೇನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಚಾರ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಜಾಹೀರಾತು. ಎ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಸ್ ಬೇಸ್ಡ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ಫರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಓವರ್ ದಟ್. If a competitor is just advertising the features, whereas your firm advertises the promises and commitments that it will keep, naturally more customers will trust your brand over others. This is the reason that advertising is used commonly to create value and differentiate one brand from another. Brand building. When a brand regularly advertises and delivers quality products and fulfills the promises it makes, automatically the value of the brand is built. However, there are many other aspects of brand building. One of the first ones is to advertise via ATL and BTL campaigns, etc. Positioning the product and brand recall. One of the key factors is the actual purchase of a product is the product's recall and the brand recall at the time of purchase. Amongst the objectives of advertising, one objective is to correctly position the brand in the minds of customer. ಆ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಇಮೇಜ್ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕುರಿತಾಗಿ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರಿಗೆ ಮನದಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು, ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ನೆನಪಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಜಾಹೀರಾತು ಮಾಡುತ್ತದೆ. And advertisement is made to increase sales. Naturally, with so many steps being taken to advertise the product, it is no doubt that one of the objectives of advertising is to increase sales. Many a times this objective is achieved via advertising. However, if the campaign is improper or the audience is not targeted properly, then advertising can fail in its objective. Increase profits. With the value being communicated and the brand being differentiated as well as sales being increased, there is no doubt that advertising can contribute a lot to increasing profits. Advertising should never be looked at as an expense or liability. In fact, it is an investment for a firm, just like a brand is an investment. Create desire. Again, referring to the AIDA model, one of the key factors in advertising is to create a desire for the product so that the customer wants the product. Brands which are known to this are BMW, Audi, Harley Davidson, Adidas, and others. These brands are masters of advertising where they create so much desire for the product that the customer absolutely wants a product even if he doesn't need it. Call to action. One of the most common objectives of digital advertising and digital marketing is to get a call to action. Brands invest in banner ads, link ads, as well as social ads to get their potential customers to take an action. There are various types of advertising, namely newspaper, magazine, radio, television, directories, outdoor and transit, direct mail, catalogs, leaflets, online advertisements, etc. Now we will discuss about the importance of advertising. No doubt, effective advertisement will definitely increase in sales. It gives information about the product, creation of permanent demand, service to existing customers, support to personal selling, increase in sales and reduction in cost, conversion of prospective buyers into permanent buyers, consumers surplus, steady demand. Multiple choice questions. To introduce the new product, the world of consumers is the main goal of entertainment, advertising, boost the sale, online marketing. The most popular form of advertising and it reaches to masses is social media, email, radio, print. Here the correct answer is advertisement is a type of outdoor marketing, indirect marketing, share marketing, transaction marketing. Selecting style, tone, words for making ads are the parts of message strategy, message execution, selecting media, measuring communication. Advertising influences the mind of consumers by creating desire and taste of old product, same products, new products, and different products. Totally, advertising is the best way to communicate to the customers. Advertising helps informs the customers about the brands available in the market and the variety of products useful to them. No doubt, advertising is for everybody, including kids, young, and old.